The frozen stick in your freezer began as leftover soda. Not in a factory. On a back porch. On a cold night. Powdered soda. Water. A wooden stick left in the cup. By morning, the soda had frozen to the stick. Frank Epperson tasted it. The ice came off with the stick. He called it an Epsicle. His name plus icicle. That's the cute story. Here's the part they skip. Almost 20 years went by before anyone else got a taste. For years, the ice on a stick stayed a home treat. Then he walked a tray of ice into a packed dance hall. Beach stands sold them next. One stand moved 8,000 in a day. In 1924, he patented ice you could hold without a spoon. Ice locks onto wood as it freezes. The stick becomes a handle. Wait until you hear about the name. He did not own it. He sold the patent. The fortune did not stay with him. The company kept going. Hard times meant 2 sticks for a nickel. Hard times or not, they sold 200 million. Other carts already sold ice. His stick is what lasted. That handle is why you still find one in your freezer. Next time you grab one, you are holding leftover soda by the wood.